Come on, analyst chats.
I'm trying to get that RBC internship. Can't find it.
This is why we built Cortex. Your chats are valuable and they feel trapped in long threads, so we turned it into a 3D memory space that you can explore.
Cortex turns exported chats into semantic embeddings, clusters them in 3D, lets you search by meaning, and then injects the best matching context into an LLM via MCP automatically.
Now let's see the demo in action. Here you can see all your chats in a semantic space. All you do is upload your Claude or ChatGPT history as an HTML file. We then ingest it, parse every message, and generate a summary locally using the Qwen 2.5 model. We then reduce them to 3D using UMAP and cluster similar chats via k-means. As you can see, you can also sort through clusters and highlight the ones you selected. You can also click on specific chats to see the details, including summaries and the neighbors around it. Now let's say you're looking for something specific. Let's say coding. You can use a search bar which uses hybrid search, which is a mix of keyword and semantic search to generate results. These numbers here represent the relevant score. You can select the ones you want to contextualize and generate a system prompt. This generates a backboard.io approved prompt that forces the model to use only the relevant memories.
Now you know all about Cortex. I'm gonna thank you for watching our video.
We know how lazy everyone is. Nobody wants to copy and paste the system prompt, so we configured a custom MCP plugin straight into Claude so you can get context where you need it. For example, if I was studying for my upcoming RBC interview, here's the type of prompt I would use. Here, we can see Claude directly use Cortex. Specifically, it calls the search endpoint to find any relevant past chats using hybrid search as we mentioned before. And once it's able to find something it wants to use, it then calls the fetch endpoint, which only retrieves the compact summaries. The amazing thing here is that we can actually see what it fetched and the exact context that's being provided. Here you can see it referencing a past chat where it was talking about a different job. Here's where Blackboard comes in. Before MCP can return any results to the model, we actually send these memories to blackboard.io to evaluate any relevance and redundancy. Any low quality or off-topic results are automatically filtered out, so you can get the best response possible.
Now you know all about Cortex. I'm gonna thank you for watching our video.